How to use Parkedin with a pay-by-license plate parking meter. Using Parkedin, Precise ParkLink's mobile parking payment platform is as easy as 1, 2, and 3. To pay for parking using Parkedin, scan the QR code on the sign located near or on the parking meter with a phone camera, or enter the zone ID. Next, enter your parking information. Finally, enter your payment information to complete your purchase. Alternatively, press the green OK button located on the bottom center of the touchpad to activate the meter. Next, enter your vehicle license plate number using the keyboard. Press the green button to confirm your license plate entry. Then select the desired time. Purchase time by inserting coins, or select the type of card payment. To pay with coins, insert your coins into the coin slot until your desired time is displayed on the screen. To pay with a credit card, insert your credit card into the credit card slot. Alternatively, you can tap your credit card on the contactless reader. Press the green OK button to confirm your parking session link and to process your payment. Your receipt will print and be dispensed out of the bottom right of the parking meter. Please take your receipt. There is no need to display your receipt on your vehicle dashboard. A cloud-based parking enforcement system recognizes your vehicle license plate. Proceed to your destination.